So hello everyone, this is me Sharon and welcome back to my channel. So आज हम create करेंगे Indian wedding guest look.
This is the look we are going to create and ये बहुत ज़्यादा beginner friendly है and ये बहुत simple है.
So let's begin. So I've done my skin prepping and now we move on to our first step, which is the primer. So I'm using Blue Heaven Flawless primer. So now I'm using K Beauty foundation in the shade 135N. So I'll be using these two concealers, one is from Inside and one is from Swiss Beauty. I'm using a Swiss Beauty loose powder and I only prefer translucent powders. So our base is done and now we'll move on to the eyes. I'm using Nike eyebrow pencil. Firstly, I'll just quickly shape my eyebrows and then fill it in. Now we move on to mascara. I'm using Hypergirl for my lashes. So I'm using Faces Canada eyeliner. For blush, I'm using Eba Cosmetics All Time Pink. It's actually a tint and ये बहुत pigmented है. So for the lipstick, I'm using Inside Cosmetics Toffee Cream. I'm mixing this color with the Inside ka hi lip shade Angel Red. I'm using this highlighter from Wet n Wild and first of all on my nose. I just quickly go and change my clothes. So guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share.